Well, hey there, my YouTube friends. I hope you had a good Christmas. It's been about a week since I've last uploaded a video, and I thought I would do a quick little unboxing of some fun parts for the mini snowcat. Came in just before Christmas. I got some exhaust parts. It's an 1.5 inch tubing, steel welded. A couple of mandrel bent tubes, so I can take these and cut any part of that radius out to form the exhaust. Got 3 of those. And I also got 2 of these 90-degree kind of L-shaped pieces. Again, mandrel bent, so they aren't kinked inside in any way. Actually a really nice piece. Got 2 of those right there. I've got expansion joint. Again, 1.5 inches, just to relieve some of the stresses between the header and the muffler. Weld-in O2 sensor fitting. That's going to be important. That engine has a O2 sensor because it's EFI, so it's actively measuring the exhaust gas. And last but not least, got a nice little muffler. It's about 10 inches long, maybe 6 inches in diameter, and that should do the trick. So yeah, this is about $150 from Summit Racing. Shipping super fast. I think about 6 days from ordering to delivery, even during the Christmas rush, which is quite impressive. But yeah, thought you might enjoy that.